Calculated fields are an elegant way to add custom defined columns in Excel based on existing data. For our Rossmann sales dataset, we have for each store information on the sales for that store and the customer traffic for that store. But we don't have information on average sales per customer. So we don't know how on average our different stores are doing comparing our sales with respect to customers. To do this, we can actually create a pivot table and then create our own custom field where we can calculate this information. Let's start by creating a pivot table where we add the sales and customer information per store. To do this, you go to the Insert tab, go to Tables, and add a pivot table. It's better to include it in a new sheet. Here, we can add our stores as rows, and we can have sales as values and customers also as values. For this example, it doesn't matter if you keep your sales as sum of sales and customers sum of customers, or you use the average. The important thing is whichever you use the same for both of them. Now, in order to create a new custom field, you can go to the Pivot Table Analyze tab, then Fields, Items and Sets. Here you pick Calculated Field. And first of all, you specify the name of the field. For example, for our case, we want it to be average sales per customer. And as part of the formula, you need to specify the formula, which is sales divided by customer. To pick an item, first of all, remove the 0. You have two ways how you can pick the item from this list of fields. One is double clicking on the variable name. The other is selecting it and click Insert Field. So we can double click on sales and then divide by sign. And the other one is customers, which we can select and insert field. And then we add this and click OK. As soon as we do that, we have now average sales per customer added per store. It will make more sense if we can sort this data and see which store comes on top and which goes on the bottom, so that we can analyze which stores are really doing very good when it comes to average sales per customer versus which ones need more support. So you just select any one and then right click, sort largest to smallest, and we can see that our store number 52 is doing great with a average sales per customer of 14.71. Then store number 56 is also doing good. 49 is also on the top. These stores are at the top. And on the other end of the spectrum, we have stores number 68, 30, for which the average sales per customer is actually half of what is on the top. So there could be a number of reasons: the location, the number of holidays, the overall traffic. All of this could contribute to a lower value of average sales. And this could be a next step of identifying, exploring further what is causing this lower average sales per customer. And with this, by adding a new custom field, you are able to extract more insights and generate more value out of your data.